In this video, I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Nissan Versa from about 2013 to 2019. It's about the same thing, even if you have a different radio. Take a flathead screwdriver and we need to remove the bezel, the surround of the radio. So just need to glide it between the bezel itself and the dashboard, and we need to pry it. This is held by some clips. So yeah, glide it there. You can even open the glove box, the upper glove box, if you find this easier, and try multiple spots where you can unclip the bezel. Here we go. I finally unclipped the first one. You can start pulling on it gently so you don't break anything. Continue unclipping, because if it worked, it will continue to work. It will be easier after the first one you unclip. You can even go on the top. Try pulling it with your hand. If it doesn't work, don't worry, continue unclip it with the screwdriver. And finally, we did it. Now that we removed this panel, everything will be easier, so just pull it out of the way. You may want to remove it. You can remove the small harnesses, but you don't have. You can just put it on the side, so it's easier. This will give us access to the screws holding the radio in place. You see, these are Phillips head screws. There's 4 of them. Take a long screwdriver. Over here, mine, I don't think it's long enough for the top ones. You see, I'll have to use an extension, but the lower ones are easier. So let me start with this. Make sure you don't lose those screws. In my case, I don't care. I'm at a scrapyard. But if you're gonna reinstall a radio, you'll need to be careful so they don't fall inside of the dash. I'm trying again, and yeah, I'll definitely need an extension. This should do the job. And the other side. Perfect. Now we can take the radio with one hand and pull it out. You'll be able to do so, and we have a few harnesses to unclip. You just need to push on the release tab, as you see here, and pull the harness out. This is the concept that applies for every harnesses. Now this is a bit hard to do while holding my phone, but if you have 2 hands available, it will be much easier. Even on this pink tab, you just need to push and pull. You may need to use a screwdriver if you cannot push that thing well enough to unlock it. Here we go. And just like that, the radio is out. You can now replace it with a brand new one, or maybe go on eBay and get a replacement. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, give a like, and I will see you in the next video.